what we're going to do is create your to-do list or your goals for the day. How many people set their goals? If you're doing it, awesome. If you aren't, now is the time. So purchase a small 5 rupees diary, only 5 rupees. I won't like ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं करूँगा आप लोगों का, just 5 rupees. Purchase a 5 rupees small diary, and then every day after all these active physical and all the eating activities are done, write down your to-do list. What all you're going to do in the day. Like it's whether it's personal, whether it's regarding family, your professional goals, your study goals, your business goals. Every day you need to write what all you have to do it today. And probably you may achieve only 70% of what you have written, but at least 70. I mean that is amazing, right? I mean only 30% you're missing. 70% you're going to achieve. But if you don't write, you don't have any focus. Without goals, it is as if you go to a railway station and you say at the ticket counter, "Hey, give me a ticket." And the ticket counter will ask you, "Where do you want to go?" And you say, like, "Just give me a ticket, man. What nonsense you're telling? I'm just going to give me a ticket." You know what they will say? "Are you mad? Where do you want to go?" And then if you don't even decide, ultimately they will cut a ticket for you. Probably you'll end up in Kashmir or somewhere else. So you'll end up somewhere where you don't want to. So if you don't decide your goal, you will end up somewhere where you didn't want to. So decide your goal, have a focus, be really, really professional. And the goals has to be like all around, physical, mental, spiritual, and all everything. So now you have the to-do list is ready, and then you start working on the list. Start working on the list. That is how you're going to start a very really productive and effective day.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल बटन दबाइए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ इसको शेयर करिए।